fair for me to do yours and my hair at the same time.
But...
Well,
braid your sister's hair.
Can I have a cookie, Mom?
Yeah, can we have a cookie?
There's not enough.
But,
You
Mom,
know, it's too late. No cookies, just do your hair.
you ate all the other box and half
Mom.
of this box.
She got lice.
What do you mean you got lice? We'll take care of it tomorrow.
I want to eat some cookies.
No.
But
You already brushed our teeth.
I'll brush them later.
There.
Thank you.
They're all the damn thing.
Mom, I'm going out with you.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
If the school night's past 9 o'clock,
So?
you're not going out.
Yes,
Go-
I am.
No, you. Hey! Hey!
Bye, Mom.
Oh! Yeah, young lady! Don't you slam that door! Get back here! Damn! Oh, she always does this to me! Oh, I can't stand it!
You all right, Mom?
I'm fine. Give me those cookies. Oh, I am so stressed out when she does that to me. If you girls ever come and grow up like that, I just don't know what I'll do. Oh, I'm stressed. I gotta dance. Oh. Come on, girls. Let's get our good music on.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, I did it again. Oh, my back.
Mom, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Tell me on the couch. Oh.
Do you
All right.
anything?
She'll get home when she's hungry.